Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
I am Patricia.
And I am Tiffany.
Today we are going to make some
slime.
And we
are gonna make it out of glue and
air
conditioner.
So this is what we were gonna be needing.
We have some food colorings here, like some food colorings.
Okay, this is what we were going to need. Glue, PVA glue.
Any glue, clear glue.
Yeah. Airwick. Okay, this is the rule. You can only have airwick. These kind of kinds. There's a lot of kinds.
And you can only this. So you can. This one is not that strong. But if you buy the white one or the green one, the purple one, then it will get better.
Okay.
It won't get sticky.
Something to mix with.
Yes.
And 2 lipsticks, because I want to mix
like all lipsticks.
Light pink and dark pink.
Purple.
And this other
glitter glue. And container. Yeah.
So you're gonna add the glue in first. Try this. And add a little of this. Oh, it's hard.
Did you already add glue?
No, I have to add a little bit more. Oh no.
Okay, so we added some glitter glue because we thought we would make it good.
We can add glitter glue.
And then we'll add a bit of PVA glue. You can put it in first. Let's just take this so that you can see what she's doing. You know,
my maker.
Okay, we're gonna put some back. No, wait.
If we are not done.
If we are done, so
okay, you added a lot.
Yeah. So we're gonna mix it now.
Okay, this is how it is. I think this is gonna be kind of orangey now.
Or pinkish, because we're gonna add some food coloring.
I think we should keep it like that. So yeah, next we are gonna make sure you do this with it. Shake it before you add it.
Yes.
Yeah. So let's add it. Add it a little bit by a little bit.
Yeah.
So as she's doing it, I'm gonna be adding it.
Okay, that's it. Let me mix it now.
Can I mix it?
Wait.
Wait,
guys, it's starting to get together. Like, see, it's starting to get together. Okay. So we're just gonna mix more and more and more.
Okay, can you hold that spoon? Just spoon it now. Okay.
But make sure you're not adding too much.
Don't add too much. It's not.
It counts on how much glue you add. Counts on how much glue you add.
Yeah, it does actually. Okay, it's gonna be like watery first. You always start some with watery.
But if you mix it.
Mix it as I'm doing it.
Yeah.
Make sure you mix it up. That's that. This is a real strong one, you know. You okay? Oh, he's trying to get some. Okay, you have to do it fast now.
I'll beat it under. So I'm really like when we mix it a bit more.
Okay, we decided to add a little bit more glue.
Yeah. Because it wasn't working that much.
Okay.
So, see, it started to get together.
To get slimy.
Yeah, it's kind of liquid.
I wear this t-shirt because I don't really need it.
And I wear my dress because I want.
She really needs it, that's why.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna mix it. I'm the good mixer. I'm not good at mixing so far.
Then I'll add some activator.
Okay, this is not activated, by the way. You're doing it the wrong way. Okay, add a little bit more. I'll tell you when to stop.
Okay, stop. So guys, if you think this is fake, look. See that? It's not fake. And this is real glue.
You know, you have to mix it long until it's gonna be slimy.
We couldn't find any more glue, so we only bought PVA glue. Last time we tried it with PVA glue.
Not all glues work actually. So like
clear
glue works kinda. But when you buy the glitter glue, they don't work.
No. They're too just scrunchy.
Maybe because we added the glitter glue in. Okay. Oh,
yes.
Slimy now. Okay, we're adding a little bit more now. Okay, mix it and that's okay. Next, when it's beginning to get slimy.
It's getting slimy.
Okay. Okay, we decided. Yeah, okay.
We're gonna mix a bit more and then we're gonna take it out.
So it's getting slimy. So over here we have this place. So we can add this slime
Okay,
on.
show them how it's slimy. See? Guys, it's starting to get slimy.
Okay, now we're gonna pour the slime. The slime. We're in the bathroom, by the way, if you're like, what the hell are you? Okay. We're gonna put it here. So come. We'll be back when it's there.
Guys, we just added a bit more activated because it was kind of...
Uh-oh, it's gonna kill off. Okay, you have to do it this quick. This is a quick challenge, okay? Really quick, and then add the activator as quick as you can so it doesn't fall. And then just start mixing it, even if it's like this.
See, guys, it's getting slimy. And you can add food, but we want to like light pink. Yeah, but you have to add a little one.
Okay, can you add a little bit of...
Can you vlog into like...
I'll vlog and you just add a little bit of this.
Yeah. Can I go there?
Yeah. Wow, this is getting slime. Oh, it's so sticky.
First time.
Add it quick.
Actually, we have the shaving cream, so we're gonna make a video by adding shaving cream.
We'll do it later, because... Oh, who's gonna stop the video? We need to. Nope, wedding and you're not coming in. Man. Nah, no.
You're gonna have to stop it, Patricia. Stop it. I have 2 hands.
I have no hands. Okay, I'm gonna stop it.
Okay, guys.
Okay, guys.
So it's turned slime now. You have to mix it because it's gonna be kind of sticky. Go wash your hands and then hold the camera.
Okay.
We don't want
It's
it to
actually
much.
okay. Actually okay, my hands.
See, guys. Move your hands. See.
Oh, we made this time. We made the real big.
Look, guys. I put it in my dress, but then I washed it off because
You're not gonna see. Oh, this is too sticky.
you have to mix it more.
You have to mix
I
it.
said a bit more. And if you're in a container, you can add some more that stuff that can never get sticky, and then it was good.
Okay, this is what you're gonna do. You put it in a container for
We're
1
gonna
day.
show you guys.
But before you put it in the container,
Put some
you
milk.
add some fish in, so it's not gonna get sticky.
Okay, you mix it, and guys, you guys come with me until I get my container. This is slime. See, guys, we ordered this slime in this container. We did white and pink mix, so now we're gonna try it with other container. You just have to find it. Oh, guys, and by the way, I have Orbeez. I'm just showing you guys because, see, guys, those are lots of Orbeez. I'm putting them in water that they can grow. Oh, oops, camera. Okay, guys, so let's find the container. Oh, there it is. I'll be back. Guys, it's actually a bit pokey. Go on. I like that. So, guys, I had it over to the camera until I go find the container. Let me just do it once.
It doesn't like you. You get so sticky. Look. So sticky.
Okay, guys.
She's gonna go get it. Look at the toilet. Like, what the fuck? Oh, it's so watery. I like that. Okay, if you don't have activator, you can do it, but you can use activator. Okay, look at this trick. There is some shit that happens. I just hearing the song all day now. I want to try that thing. Okay, I'm gonna try. Oops. Okay, it's too sticky. I'm gonna add a little bit more of this. The slime can be really sticky, you know. I'm gonna like mix it with the. She's not. Okay, I can't believe how. Okay, this is the only air freshener works. This is the only air freshener. First, I watched this on a lot of YouTube videos. Comment down below if you're a Logan or Jake Pauler. I'm a Jake and Logan Pauler. I watch both of their videos, but Jake Paul makes me laugh the most. So yeah, I think I like Jake Paul better. Logan Paul stopped vlogging for a while, 3 weeks and a half. But now he's back again. He's trying to keep up with everything. Watch this. So yeah. Slime. Oh, it's on a phone. Oh my god, this slime is so sticky, I said. Okay, I think you've been on the phone, so I'm gonna clean it off till it's come. Okay, I'll be back when Tiffany's back. Okay guys, so I found some containers. She's back. And so what you're gonna do
It'll sticky slide.
to leave it for days. You're gonna take a container. I'm taking this one. You're gonna put some inside. See?
My cousin's too busy sharing.
Yeah.
She wants to.
So then we're gonna put the slime
She
in.
wants to come in. She loves slime. No girl.
Come on,
Not yet. Not yet. Let me mix it. Sorry. No. See, this slime I swear down. Slime doesn't like it, Tiffany.
Well, you have to wait for the day, guys.
It's too warm. Your hands are too warm. Can you hear it? Today we had fire, and you were like, "Hey, listen." Shh. I was like, "Miss," and fire alarm.
Yeah, the fire alarm was all ready.
That was so
time. But I read it, I was like, oh my gosh, this is fire alarm. What should I do? What should I do? But then I missed the idea and the bells had to line up.
Yeah.
Come on, then push it.
She was like, "Shh." I was like, "What?"
Okay, well, guys, we're gonna be finished. Ashley.
I couldn't mind.
So, see, there's something inside. Okay, so we can take it. Here's the container, and we'll be back in our room. So, yeah. So, guys, I'm back in my room. Hello. Welcome. Okay. So, I put it inside this container. I'm just gonna show you. And yeah, just gonna put it in a bit because it's full. See, guys. Don't want to go on the bed. See, it's kind of like this. Doesn't really the pork distance. So you put something inside, like to it. You put it. So yeah, and then you start. So yeah. So you can leave it in for a day, and yeah. So bye guys, thank you for watching, and peace.